Greetings from Obi Nuku Chineke. Today is the 22nd of November 2024, known as Iki, a special market day in Igbo land. A day of the beginning of a man's success. You are highly blessed and empowered to achieve greatness through the work of your brain and 5 fingers. Via the existence of the wind, water, and sand, these elements, given by our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiyama, sustains us while witnessing His creation. They remind us to be kind and generous to our fellow human beings. Why? To achieve a peaceful place after death. The love of the Creator is evident in us, His creation. Each of us has the privilege to witness this marvel, creation. Remember to be mindful of your role in bettering the world. No one is meant to suffer here. We are here to enjoy the creation before death. Please keep this in your heart. No human should cause another to suffer, no matter their position or power. The wind, water, and sand monitor our actions. They remind us to live without blame before death. From Obi Nuku Chineke, symbolized by the wind, water, and sand, the blessed of the universe. Onye Indu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of truth in the afterlife. Remember, you are never alone. The elements are always with you, guiding and protecting you. Embrace them, and embrace life with open arms. Stay blessed, and may the wind, water, and sand always nurture your journey. Thank you for listening.